Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something many of us take for granted, our heels. Healthy heels are crucial for walking, running, and even standing comfortably. So, I've put together 20 essential tips to keep your heels strong, pain-free, and in tip-top shape. Let's dive in. It's time to give your heels the love they deserve. After all, they work hard to keep you upright and moving. But let's face it, we often take our heels for granted until something goes wrong. That's why I've put together 20 essential tips to keep your heels happy and healthy. And trust me, your feet will thank you for it. So let's get into it. No one stretch those calves. Tight calf muscles can really cramp your style, not to mention put extra stress on your heels. Aim to stretch those calves daily, especially before and after workouts. It'll keep your heels feeling fantastic. 2. Wear proper footwear. Shoes that fit well and provide good arch support are your heels' best friends. Ditch the high heels and worn-out soles and opt for comfy, supportive kicks instead. 3. Use heel pads or cushions. These little wonders can absorb impact when you walk or run. They're like a mini spa treatment for your heels. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying extra pounds can add stress to your heels over time. Keeping a healthy weight not only benefits your heels, but your overall foot health. 5. Practice good foot hygiene. Clean and dry feet are happy feet. Keep those heels moisturized to prevent infections, cracked skin, and calluses. 6. Avoid walking barefoot. Walking barefoot on hard surfaces can strain your heels. So pop on some slippers or cushioned shoes indoors, especially if you stand for long periods. 7. Do foot strengthening exercises. Exercises like toe curls, towel scrunches, or heel raises can work wonders for your feet, supporting muscles. Stronger muscles mean better balance and less heel strain. Ice for sore heels. Sore heels after a long day or exercise. Ice can be your best friend. Apply ice for about 15 to 20 minutes to reduce inflammation and relieve pain. 9. Massage your heels. Massaging your heels boosts blood circulation, relieves tension, and reduces pain. Give them a gentle massage daily, especially after standing or walking for long periods. 10. Avoid prolonged standing. Standing for too long can put constant pressure on your heels. Take breaks. Sit down when you can and shift your weight to avoid discomfort and fatigue. 11. Monitor your heel health. Pay attention to any pain, swelling, or changes in your heels. Early detection of issues like plantar fasciitis, heel spurs, or infections can prevent bigger problems down the road. 12. Warm up before exercise. Before you hit the pavement for a run, jump, or intense workout, warm up your feet and calves. It'll help increase blood flow and reduce the risk of injuries. 13. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration keeps your tissues, including those in your feet and heels, healthy and flexible. Drink enough water daily to keep your body and heels in tip-top shape. 14. Avoid wearing worn-out shoes. Old worn-out shoes can increase heel stress, leading to discomfort or injury. Replace your shoes regularly to maintain healthy heels. 15. Use orthotics if needed. Custom or over-the-counter orthotics can provide extra support for your heels and help with issues like plantar fasciitis. 16. Maintain good posture. Poor posture can affect your gait and put extra pressure on your heels. Stand and walk tall to keep your heels supported and reduce strain. 17. Limit high-impact activities. Activities like running on hard surfaces or jumping can stress your heels. Mix in some low-impact activities like swimming or cycling to give your heels a break. 18. Treat heel cracks early. Cracked heels can become painful or infected. Moisturize daily and gently file thickened skin to prevent cracks from getting worse. 19. Include foot-friendly foods. A diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 supports bone and tissue health, including your heels. Nourish your feet from the inside out. 20. Seek professional help when necessary. If heel pain persists, don't hesitate to consult a podiatrist. They can provide the right diagnosis and treatment plan to get your heels back in shape. There you have it, 20 essential tips to keep your heels healthy and pain-free. Your heels are the foundation of your foot health, so treat them with care and they'll carry you through life's adventures with ease. Until next time, stay healthy and happy walking. Get your heel supplement in the link below.